Hey guys, guess what I just got today? I'm so excited, I got my Starlink! I ordered it online, and today it came. And for those that are watching me, or following me, you know that this is gonna be for my new homestead in Perry. I'm excited, let's get this thing open. Let's do a quick unbox. This thing is huge! Boom! My instructions. There's what else is in the box. I believe that's my router. Oh, my power supply. A power cord. And a nice long internet cable. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is set up our Starlink. You want to go download the app. Find your app store. Type in Starlink. Engineered by SpaceX. Make sure you download that one. Let's do some connections, shall we? In here goes the internet cable. You can hang it on the wall like a picture. Internet cable goes in here. It shows to put the internet in here. Boom, like that. And then the other end of the internet goes in this thing. This is my Wi-Fi. Oh, it's a weatherproof. It's like a waterproof connection. All right, it's my power supply. Okay, this is my power supply. Goes into this box. It's got like weatherproof in case it's outside, I suppose. Power supply. And then this end goes into my power supply. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, where's that plug into? What is that? Oh, there's more internet ports. Oh, this is my This is my router. That's my router. So you can have internet ports. Got two. Boom, that plugs in. Goes from the back of my Starlink, internet cable into the back of my router. And then out of my router, power supply into this, sort of like an Xbox, and then the plug into the wall. Pretty nice. We want to go outside and we want to check for obstacles. I got the standard, confirm, find an open area. Oh, 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 wow. Oh, did you see that? What am I missing? Oh. What? That was kind of neat. Did you see that? All right, now it's estimating obstructions. Good, good. Video calls, some interruption. Online gaming, frequent interruptions. Okay, clear. Okay. Mount Starlink for best performance. Wall mount, pipe adapter. Continue with kickstand. Point in Starlink, plug in Starlink and router. Select all the cables and run power to Starlink. Okay, I just did that crazy bit doing the sky, and it like, I guess all the Starlink satellites had like sucked into the phone where they were. That was pretty neat. So it's suggesting I point it north. I gotta go get it. I'm continuing with just the kickstand. You see the internet cable there. And then I have the router and the power supply. And I'm just plugging it in right there for now. I want to see what it says on the app. Oh, right there. Okay, guys, from this point forward, I had nothing but
problems with the install because of the no internet connection or whatever. And come to find out,
Let's
it
see.
was my own fault for not really waiting long enough. I guess it could take up to 30 minutes for it to connect. I did not know that, so I ran outside and did, like a day later, did some more testing, and to find out it was connected. Hey, who knows?
So it's online, and I'm getting, at least the last test, I got 167 megabits download speed. So I think I can do another speed test just to try it out. And I want to do like a 360 with the drone.
I tell you what, the more tests I did over time, the better and better it got. And I believe that was due to it configuring itself and figuring out where it was. But it did continue to get better. And this is going to be fun when I get to Perry. I'm going to chuck it out in the yard initially and do the same thing.